Hello everybody, this is the Hack Insider, and I'm back here to show you how to install Beta 11 of Electra. It just came out today, and it's a super easy download. You can download it on your computer or on your iPhone. It's already on Tweakbox. I'm going to show you doing the iPhone version, but it's super easy to get it off of the website. All you have to do is go to the Electra Jailbreak Toolkit website, and then you can just hit the download link and then upload it through Impactor. So first we're going to need to enter our browser and go to the Tweakbox link. It's in the description. Click the download app. Then you will be prompted with an allow button. Hit allow and then enter the profile information that you need. Then enter the application, and there's an ad every time, and hit the X in the top left corner. Then hit the apps, scroll down, and hit Tweakbox apps. Once you're there, you'll see the Electra Jailbreak, the new version, and it says version 11 instead of version 7. Hit the install. Then you'll be prompted with this. Hit install again. Now you can exit the application and it should be on your Springboard. Allow it to download. It shouldn't be too long. These are relatively quick downloads. Just a little bit more background information. I went from beta 10 to beta 11, and when I restarted my phone and then re-jailbroke it with the beta 11, it didn't take away any of my themes or my tweaks or anything like that. So it's safe to go from one beta to the next and not have to worry about losing something. Now this load is almost done. I would also recommend backing your phone up just in case something happens. That's probably the best thing to do before doing anything with jailbreaking. Now you can enter the app, and you'll see I'm already jailbroken. There's an ad there. Just hit skip. If you're not jailbroken though, you're just going to have to hit the jailbreak. It's going to go through a 1, 2, 3 step process, and then it will restart your device and respring, and then it'll be jailbroken. And you can then modify your device how you'd like. Now you're going to have to use files escaped, which you can also download from the Tweakbox application. I already have it, as you could probably see right there. But yeah, I'm going to show you how to install it again. So just hit the X in the ad, scroll back down, oops, my bad, and then go to the Tweakbox, and you'll find files escaped, hit install, and then it will appear on your Springboard just like Electra. You may have to do the enterprise developer thing, and it's not a big deal. Just hit trust. And that's pretty much all. So please leave a like, subscribe, and comment any questions you have for me. Thank you.